Okay, so let's come back to the math book, page 82. Page 82. So last Friday, we were talking about the normal distribution. Normal distribution, okay? And the three numbers, so 68%, 95%, and 99.7%. Okay, when you are opening a window, okay, for 1 sigma, 2 sigma, and 3 sigma, respectively. OK， 嗱，即係上次講到咧，就係呢一個咁嘅graph 啦 ，normal distribution 正態分佈嘅 graph 咁樣樣。咁但係咧，即係我哋有陣時咧就會係去到計算啦，即係究竟喺嗰個 mean 嘅左邊一格、右邊一格呢個範圍裏邊咧，其實係包含咗幾多 percent 嘅 data 咧喺裏邊咧咁樣樣，或者左邊一格、右邊兩格又點咧咁樣樣。OK， 咁所以咧，我哋要記得呢3個數字。如果左右都開一格，一格嘅意思即係加一個 sigma 或者減一個 sigma，standard deviation 嚟嘅。咁嘅時候咧就係68%，即係包含到68% 嘅數據。如果開多一格，即係總共咧喺個 mean 喺中間啦，左右開2格嘅話咧，咁就係包含咗95% 嘅 data 啦。如果 mean 喺中間啦，開1格、2格、3格嘅話咧，就已經包含咗99.7% data 啦。咁但係唔好以為呢個係全部喎，仲有啲超極端大同埋超極端細嘅 data 咧係冇包含到嘅。嗰度咧就應該仲有0.3% 嘅 data 咧係冇包含到喺呢個範圍裏邊嘅咁樣。OK， 好啦，咁跟住咧，我哋上次做咗一條 example 咧，咁就係即係如果係真係有數字嘅，係點樣計出嚟咧？點樣揾個 percentage 出嚟咧？咁樣樣。OK， 咁啊上次做完之後咧，大家都係即係一頭霧水咁樣嘅，我記得係嘛 ？OK， 咁啊今日咧，咁我哋一齊做多1、2題啊。咁樣因為咧嗱，我都即係預計到係咁樣噶，因為咧係好多嘢嘅 ，OK， 同埋個步驟都幾長嘅。咁但係咧做嚟做去都係一種做法嘅啫 ，OK， 咁啊做熟咗就得㗎啦，得唔得？咁我哋都做咗呢幾題佢先好嘛 ？OK， 一齊嚟啊！我哋去翻 page 82。Page 82， 然之後咧就 question number 1。question number 1， 好，遮一遮呢度先。question number 1， 睇，試下跟我睇下點樣做啦The finishing time of athletes in a 400-meter race is normally distributed with mean 42.2 seconds. So x bar is 42.2 seconds. And then standard deviation, sigma, is 1.3 seconds. Okay, so this is normally distributed, so we can use the graph. Okay, so find the percentage of the athletes with finishing time longer than, in part A, longer than 40.9 seconds. 40.9 seconds. 好啦，嗱，我哋咁樣寫啊，一開始 ，we want to find the percentage of the athletes finishing time longer than 40.9. OK， 好，呢一個位我已經想你俾個反應我啦。我寫呢一句，明唔明白？我而家做緊 part A 啊。OK， 如果你明我點樣寫到呢一句 P 括號 X 大過40.9嘅，可唔可以俾個反應，俾個 like 我 ？OK， 有個題目嘅意思，我寫 P 括號 X 大於40.9 ，X 我永遠都係 X 嚟嘅，得唔得？永遠都係 X 嚟嘅，即係佢揾緊嗰樣嘢，咩 finishing time 咁樣。如果係 get 到嘅，呢一個位 get 到嘅，可唔可以俾個 like 或者俾個 clap 我 ？OK， 如果呢個位已經開始 lost 咗嘅，可唔可以俾個舉手我 ？OK，if you have already lost in this place, please raise your hand。好，我再嚟個啊，再嚟個。呢個咧其實我未開始計算嘅，未開始計算。I did not start the calculation yet. Okay, and the first line is always like this. Okay, so I just write down the given information. So what is given is that the mean is 42.2 seconds. Okay, so that is this one. The mean is this one. And then standard deviation is 1.3 second. Standard deviation is sigma. Sigma is equal to 1.3 second, right? Okay, and then I just write down what I am going to find. Okay, I want to find the percentage of athletes with finishing time longer than 40.9 seconds. So this is the percentage. This P means the percentage. Okay, longer than 40.9. Okay, longer than 40.9 is larger than 40.9. X 就係我而家即係嗰啲數據係啲咩啦，係嘛？咁今次嚟講呢個 X 咧，當然就係代表緊嗰個 finishing time 啦，喺400米賽跑裏邊嗰個完成時間得唔得？係長過40.9秒嘅。而家想計呢樣嘢，我只不過係將個題目俾你嘅數據啦，寫咗喺紅色間住嗰兩樣嘢啦，同埋題目叫我哋揾嗰樣嘢就係紫色間住嗰樣嘢啦，得唔得？有冇同學未得嘅呢度？未得再舉多次手。OK， 有冇同學未得？好啦，跟住咧寫咗出嚟咯噃，跟住我就開始計算啦。永遠都係咁樣做嘅，記住啊！永遠咧都係 we are going to do some calculation in the inequality. Okay, and the step is always like this: x minus x bar over sigma. 如果係符號，嗱有符號同埋有數字係咪 ？X 係符號，嗰個40.9係數字啦。OK， 符號嘅就永遠減翻 x bar over sigma， 然之後數字嘅就用數字嚟去減。So 40.9 minus 42.2 over 1.3. It's okay. And it is always minus x bar and then divided by sigma. Just like you are calculating the standard score. OK， 其實呢一個咧就係計 standard score 嘅方法嚟嘅，嗰個公式嚟嘅，得唔得 ？And then you really do the calculation on the right-hand side. Okay, so we just keep the symbol x minus x bar over sigma is larger than this. So I think it should be -1, right? It's -1. Okay, just do the calculation here. 得唔得？有冇同學呢度跟唔到嘅？跟唔到即刻舉手啊！我可以即刻講多次個 step 嘅，得唔得？好啦，跟住我哋計咗之後咧，永遠都係咁樣噶啦。我哋將我哋 symbol 嗰部分，即係咪減咗 x bar， 然之後 over 咗 sigma 嘅，我哋就調翻過去右手邊，即係首先將個 sigma 咧係乘翻過去右手邊 ，it's -1 sigma, right? And then we will add the x bar to the right-hand side. Okay, x larger than。咁通常我哋寫個 x bar 就寫前面 x bar minus 1 sigma。It's okay。好，呢度咧下一個 step 已經會寫答案嘅啦，已經下一個 step 啊。OK， 好啦，但係咧去到呢一個位，即係得翻 x 喺左手邊個位嘅時候咧，我哋就可以去幅圖嗰度咯噃，去幅圖啊。幅圖咧係咁樣樣嘅。OK， middle line is x bar。OK， 然之後我哋有一格，即係向左向右開一格 is x bar minus 1 sigma， 右邊就係 x bar plus 1 sigma， 向左再開多一格 x bar minus 2 sigma，x bar plus 2 sigma。咁做第三格嘅嗱，雖然今次我唔使用嘅其實 ，OK， 咁但係我都寫埋出嚟啊 ，x bar minus 3 sigma，and then x bar plus 3 sigma，is OK。咁我哋自己畫翻幅圖出嚟先。咁呢度咧，this one 呢一個窗口係包含咗 68%，OK，and then the second window。is 95%. And then the third window will be 99.7%. OK， 好嗱，跟住我要睇一睇咧， 我而家要揾嘅係邊一部分？係嘛？嗱，呢幅圖係永遠都係死嘅，即係俾我哋做畫出嚟俾我哋計算嘅啫。我哋而家要揾嘅邊部分咧 ？X should be larger than x bar minus 1 sigma. Where is x bar minus 1 sigma first? X bar minus 1 sigma should be this line. Can you see my red line? Okay. And then now, I want to find the percentage of x bar larger than this line. Larger than means on the right side of this line, right? OK， 好啦，跟住我哋就會游咗佢咯喎。呢條線啊 ，x bar 減1 sigma 嘅右手邊嘅部分係咪即係咁樣樣啊 ？Can you get this？ OK， 我哋要揾嘅係呢部分係咪？好啦，咁我只需要計一計咧，紅色游咗呢部分咧係佔咗全圖嘅幾多 percent 咧？咁就係答案嚟㗎啦。嗱，不過你要小心啲喎。如果佢跨過咗中線嘅話咧，我哋會喺中線嗰度咧分割咗佢先。OK，this part should be 50%. Do you remember this? 50%. 因為咧佢係成個 x bar 減1 sigma 嘅右手邊嘅所有嘢，所以包含埋嗰啲超極端大嗰丁咁多。OK， 所以咧由中線去到右手邊嘅所有嘢咧，應該係佔咗 50% 嘅。呢度 get 到啊？好啦，咁50% 係咪仲要再加埋呢一筆啊？ OK， 即係由 x bar 減1 sigma 至到中線嘅嗰忽，計唔計到係幾多嚟㗎？嗰度係咪68嘅一半啊？68嘅一半係咪？即係34。OK，so the final answer will be 34% plus 50%. So that should be equal to 84%. That is the answer of part A. It's OK？ 好，得唔得？嗱，係麻煩嘅呢度 ，OK？ 咁啊，但係你即係都係嗰句，你適應咗嘅話咧，其實就好簡單嘅啫。OK， 即係因為每次都係咁做嘅，其實你唔需要自己諗任何嘢嘅。OK， 好，我哋即刻再做一個啊，咁但係咧，即係小心啲。其實啊，嗱，講真咧，最難係邊度？最難邊個位咧？最難係畫咗幅圖之後出嚟。你認到紅色係邊一笪啦，跟住去計幾多 percent 呢個位，最容易錯係呢個位應該話 ，OK， 其實唔難嘅，但係有陣時咧唔小心嘅話咧，我就會睇漏咗一啲嘢咁樣嘅 ，OK。So let's do part B together. OK, I'm going to clear the board first. Part B. OK, part B. So we are still using the same situation, which means that x bar is still equal to 42.2 seconds. And sigma is still equal to 1.3 seconds. Okay, and then in part B, this time I want to find the finishing time, the percentage of finishing time between 39.6 and 44.8. 好啦，嗱，今次咧我哋有上限有下限嘅喎，即係咧我哋要咁樣做啦。39.6 less than x less than 44.8. Okay, and again we are going to find percentage, right? So I'm going to write this line. 有冇同呢度已經呢一行係唔明嘅？唔明嘅舉手啊！如果唔係嘅話咧，我就會繼續講落去㗎啦。你一舉手，我哋應該見到㗎。OK， 好似冇嘅。OK， 好啦，嗱，跟住咧，我哋寫咗出嚟之後咧，我哋又做翻嗰兩個 step 喎，係嘛？即係減 x bar over sigma。OK， 咁但係今次咧，我哋有三節嘅係咪？有三節，有左中右三節。記住 x 嗰節就係寫個 symbol 嘅。Okay, x minus x bar and then divided by sigma. And then for the numbers, we do the numbers calculation. Okay, it's 39.6 minus x bar is 42.2 divided by 1.3. Okay, and then right hand side is 44.8 minus 42.2 divided by 1.3. Okay. and then we really do the calculation on the left part and on the right part. Okay, so for the left part, I think it should be equal to -2. Okay, the middle part has no change. For the right part, I think it should be equal to +2. Right? 計完之後，我哋將個 sigma 乘翻過去兩邊。Okay, so it becomes -2 sigma less than x minus x bar less than 2 sigma， 即係全式一齊乘個 sigma。跟住下一個 step 就全式一齊加翻個 x bar。Okay, so this x bar minus 2 sigma is less than x less than x bar plus 2 sigma。好啦，去到呢度咧，下一個 step 就係準備計答案嘅咯噃。咁我哋就要翻返去幅圖嗰度啦。呢度跟唔跟到？有冇同學跟唔到嘅呢度？嗱，嚟到呢度咧，差唔多已經攞咗一半分㗎啦，攞咗一半分㗎啦，可以做到呢度嘅話 ，OK。好啦，跟住咧就係我哋要睇幅圖咯喎。咁我哋又畫翻幅圖出嚟先啊，畫大少少先。Middle line is x bar, and then x bar minus 1 sigma and x bar plus 1 sigma. And then second line is x bar minus 2 sigma, x bar plus 2 sigma. The third line, x bar minus 3 sigma and x bar plus 3 sigma. And then we have the numbers to be, this one is 68%, 95%, and 99.7%. OK， 咁記3個數字啊，呢3個係要記嘅。OK， 佢未必會俾你㗎嚇。好啦，跟住我哋嚟遊幅圖咯噃。This time, I would like to find the percentage of x between x bar minus 2 sigma and x bar plus 2 sigma. So where is x bar minus 2 sigma? It should be this line. Okay, and then x bar plus 2 sigma will be this line. Okay, and now I would like to find the x between these two lines. So that should be this area. Can you see this? 好，咁即係直接係咪就係95% 啊 ？get 唔 get 到呢度？唔使再有任何計算啦，直接就係95% 啦。因為咧佢就正就喺開咗嗰道門開兩格嘅中間。OK 就係95% 呢個數字啦。OK 唔需要計。So final answer will be just 95%. Is all right? Okay, so if you are okay, please give me a response, please. Okay, if you're okay for question number 1 and 1A and 1B. Okay, so please give me a like or a clap. Oh, the pillar is not okay for, let me see. For the first step. First step, you mean this one? How to get this line? Do you mean this? Or the second line? The first line is just from the question. Okay? The question. So let me this way. The question is between 39.6 and 44.8, right? So I write this line. I write this line. X is between 39.6 and 44.8. Okay, just copy from the question. This is the first line. It's okay for the first line. Okay, and then for second line, it is always do these two steps. It's always minus x bar and then divided by sigma. Okay, but for the symbols, we use the symbols. We just write the symbols. And then for the numbers, we use the numbers. Minus 42.2. 42.2 is the x bar. Can you see this? And then divided by 1.3. Divided by 1.3. 1.3 is the sigma. Can you see this? Okay. So it's like this. Can you get this? Okay, and then we just do the calculation until we get to this step and this step, and then we will go to the graph and find the shaded region. Okay. Oh, okay, good. Let us continue. Number 2， 嗱我哋一齊嚟做多幾題啊，係複雜㗎呢度啊。咁你嗱老實講喎，如果你明咗做到嘅話咧，你應該希望佢出嘅，其實希望佢出，即係考試嘅時候出呢一種，因為咧簡單嘅，即係明咗之後啊。好 ，Number 2， so the scores of students in an IQ test are normally distributed with mean 1 to 4 and standard deviation 9. Okay, so it is given that x bar is equal to 1 to 4 because it's the mean. And then standard deviation is equal to 9. And then find the percentage of students with scores higher than. P score higher means larger than 142. Okay? 得唔得？嗱，我一路講啦，如果你一路有問題嘅話咧，咁你就即跟唔到嘅話咧，就即刻問啊。Okay? And then it should be, so the first step is to subtract. Okay? Subtract the x bar and then divided by sigma. So x minus x bar over sigma. But for a number, we use the number 1, 2, 4 divided by 9. Okay? And then do the calculations. And I think it should be 2. And then you multiply the sigma to the right-hand side. Okay? X minus x bar larger than 2 sigma. And add the x bar to the right hand side, x bar plus 2 sigma. And then we go to the graph, okay? This is x bar minus 1 sigma, x bar plus 1 sigma, x bar minus 2 sigma, x bar plus 2 sigma, x bar minus 3 sigma, x bar plus 3 sigma。嗱，你做熟咗嘅時候咧，你唔使次次都寫晒所有線出嚟嘅，得唔得 ？OK， 做熟咗嘅話咧，咁你就即係按你自己嘅能力咧，去到將我寫出嚟嗰啲 step 咧，去到簡化咯噃。得唔得？去到爭取多啲時間喎。Okay, and then this is 68%. This is 95%, and then the largest one is 99.7%. It's always the same. And then this time, I am going to find out the x is larger than x bar plus 2 sigma. So where is x bar plus 2 sigma? It's this line. And then I want x to be larger than this line, which means that I need to shade the area which is on the right-hand side of this line. So that should be this part. 好啦，嗱呢度咧又係好多同學咧都會唔小心嘅。嗱簡單嚟講咧，我哋計呢種題目咧，呢個 area 咧，嗱記住喎，一定要黐住中間嗰條線，黐中線，得唔得？嗰笪 area 一定要黐中線先至可以計到嘅。OK， 如果你黐唔到中線嘅話咧，你就要用一啲嘢去減另外一啲嘢啦。好啦，嗱而家呢度咧，我哋呢一笪 area 咧係咪黐唔到中線嘅？黐唔到中間嗰條 x bar 條線嘅。咁嘅時候咧，我哋就會用50% 去到減啦。即係咩意思咧？即係話咧，見唔見到黑色呢一笪？黑色呢一笪加紫色呢一笪，加埋係咪 50% 啊 ？OK， 加埋係 50% 嚟嘅，得唔得 ？OK， 即係黑色加紫色，加埋咧就係 50%。OK， 咁我哋要揾紫色啊嘛，係嘛？咁我哋用 50% 減翻黑色嗰笪，就係紫色嗰個數字嚟㗎啦。咁因為紫色嗰笪咧，我哋冇數字嘅，即係揾唔到嘅。有數字嘅係黑色嗰笪，黑色嗰笪係幾多啊？黑色嗰笪咧係咪兩格㗎？但係咧佢係一半嚟嘅啫，所以黑色嗰笪咧應該係你攞95% 除以2， get 到？即係我哋基本嗰3個數字，一格係左右開一格喎，係嘛？就係 68%， 左右開2格就係 95%。但係而家咧，我呢度第2格去翻中線呢個位嘅時候咧，係咪 cut 翻一半啊？即係將 95% 除翻2嘅啫。OK， 得唔得？所以咧呢題最後答案應該點計咧？就應該用 50% minus 95% divided by 2。OK。So it should be equal to 2.5%. Is that okay? Can you get the answer for part A？ 咁我唔得嘅。
阿 Sir， 即係我哋而家係要揾紫色嗰 part 啊嘛。
係。
哦 ，OK， 即係我等先。
get 到紫色嗰 part 先，頭先第一樣嘢 get 到係要揾紫色嗰 part 先。
我知。
嗱，因為咧紫色嗰 part 咧，因為我哋嗰3個數字咧，咩68啊、95啊，同埋99.7咧，其實一定要係黐住，即係嗰笪面積咧，一定要係黐住中線，咁樣先可以計到嘅，得唔得？而家紫色呢部分咧，係咪呢度嚟㗎？其實就係冇黐到中間條線嘅，係咪 ？OK， 咁嘅時候咧，通常我哋就會用50%， 即係呢度咧一半50%， 去到減翻黐住中線嗰部分，即係黑色部分啊。呢個 get 唔 get？ 黑色嘅部分咧，就係可以用到嗰3個數字啦。OK， 黑色部分係咪嗰度趟門開咗2格之後嘅一半嚟嘅 ？OK， 咁嗰個2格嘅話就係 95% 啦，一半就係 95% 除以2啦。OK， 咁就係咁樣計出嚟嘅，得唔得 ？OK，good。有冇同學未得嘅呢度？好嗱，咁我哋繼續做多幾題先啊，做熟咗先，得唔得？係咁多噶啦，冇再多嘢噶啦呢度。Okay, so let's do part B together. I'm going to clear the board first. Part B. We are going to use the same mean and same SD, right? So x bar is equal to 124, and standard deviation is still equal to 9. And then this time in part B, we are going to find the percentage of students with score between 106 and 133. So we have the lower limits and the upper limit this time. 106 is less than x is less than 133. Okay? Okay, and then first step, we do the normal thing, minus x bar and divided by sigma. Okay? 咁都係啊，嗱，左中右都要做嘅，但係中間 symbol 嗰部分咧就用 symbol 嚟去寫 x minus x bar over sigma。左邊右邊數字部分就用數字嚟去寫。Okay, so 106 is minus the x bar is 124. Okay, sigma is 9. The right hand side is 133 minus 124 over 9. Okay, and then we do the calculations on the numbers part. And I think it should be -2. And then we keep the symbol here. The right hand side should be +1, right? Okay, and then next step, we multiply the sigma to the left and to the right. Okay, so that is -2 sigma less than x minus x bar less than 1 sigma. 你可以 keep 翻住個1嘅 ，OK? And then we add x bar to each part. So x bar minus 2 sigma less than x bar plus 1 sigma. Okay? And then we go to the graph here. Go to the graph. And then we have the three numbers, 68%, 95%, and 99.7%. Okay? 好啦，跟住我哋會游咯喎 ，OK， 游幅畫啦。And this time what I need is x bar minus 2 sigma less than x bar plus 1 sigma. So let me draw the line first, the boundary lines first. X bar minus 2 sigma is this one. Okay, and then x bar plus 1 sigma is this one. Now, what I want to find is between these two lines. Okay, which means that the area I need to find is this shaded area. 好，嚟到呢度有冇有問題？好啦，跟住咧，咁我哋就要揾下個數字係啲咩咯噃。嗱，記住咧，我哋畫翻條中線出嚟先，畫翻條中線，用中線嚟到去做分割或者填補。OK， 分割法或者填補法。今次係咪嗰笪紫色我哋要求嗰笪面積咧？係咪跨過咗中線㗎？所以我哋係咪應該用分割法啊？係嘛？將我哋要求嗰笪面積咧分割為兩部分，中線嘅左邊同埋中線嘅右邊。好啦，中線嘅右邊先，呢一笪係咪就係68嘅一半嚟㗎 ？Get 唔 get？ 得唔得 ？OK， so the second part. So we have two parts. The second part is 68% divided by 2. Okay? How about the first part, the left hand side? 係咪95嘅一半啊？見唔見到 ？Should be half of 95%. Can you see this? This part is actually on the second window, okay? But just half of the second window. So that should be using the 95%, but we only have half of this. It's okay? And then after some calculation, it should be 47.5%再加34%. So the final answer should be equal to 81.5%. That is the answer. Is it correct? Correct?
我想問老 Sir，我想問下咧，
點解唔可以68%加95除2除2啊？
都得，兩個加埋除2咁樣都得，係嘛？不過咧，即係嗱，我咁樣講，咁樣睇嘅話咧，會明顯啲顯示呢一個即係95%除2咧，就係呢一笪面積咁樣樣，明唔明我意思啊 ？OK， 咁跟住68%除2咧，其實就係呢一笪面積。咁我寫清楚每一笪面積其實係佔咗幾多 percent， 第二笪面積即係分割法裏邊嘅第二笪係其實係佔咗幾多 percent。我覺得咁樣會更加清晰嘅。今次呢度 ，OK， 即係唔好將佢變成成個加埋除2 ，OK， 咁樣會而家呢個咧寫法咧係會清晰少少嘅。咁但係都會計到相同答案嘅 ，OK， 得唔得 ？OK， 有冇其他同學有問題呢度 ？OK， 跟唔跟到？嗱，我哋聽日會做多一堂呢啲咁嘅題目，得唔得 ？OK， 做多一堂呢啲咁嘅題目嘅 ，OK， 咁就我哋聽日繼續啦，好唔好 ？Okay, so that's the end of this lesson, and you may leave now. See you tomorrow. Goodbye.